Yeah, so my name's Dylan, Mystery, and we're at the Samuel Leeds Financial Freedom Challenge today.
Excellent. And tell me what we're learning here today. What's the vibe?
So today we're doing all about service accommodations, how to find deals, and how to manage them through different channels.
Fantastic. And do you feel like you're going to leave them with a lot of knowledge?
Yeah, so we've just been set a task at the moment to go and look at some properties, find some on Airbnb, and then also what to do once we found them deals after that.
Incredible. And what's it like being taught by Samuel? What's he like as a person?
He's a really good mentor, yeah. He's just sort of inspires you, sort of shows you exactly everything that you want to do. Yeah, it just shows you everything step by step. That makes it really easy for you to understand.
Incredible. And have you seen deals being made in the room?
Yeah, so I think yesterday and today a few people came up at the beginning and they've spoke to landlords and spoke to estate agents and actually made phone calls. So they've actually got some booked and hopefully they'll go through with them.
How does it feel seeing that?
Yeah, so it's like different actually seeing people like making the phone calls, actually going through with the deals rather than just saying like, oh, like we have done them in the past, like seeing them live within the last 2 or 3 days really makes a difference. I would say definitely give it a go. It's worth taking the risk 100%.